Audi TT, upcoming UK-based TT events.
Hi all, Andy here and welcome back to the channel, where this week I am covering upcoming events for your Audi TT. Just 2 weeks ago I held a TT meet here in the garden called Springfest, and many of the attendees told me that they don't use Instagram or Facebook, so the only place they find out about TT events is here on our channels. So here's a list of events that are coming up around the UK during August and September for the Audi TT.
So let's start off with a Friday night meet in Essex at the Castle Pub in Great Leighs on the 12th of August. This has been arranged by Jeff Bedford with the fantastic Imlay Yellow 3.2 you may have seen at meets and shows. Things should get underway at 7 PM, so please do come along and meet other like-minded TT owners if you are in the vicinity. For more details, check out the Audi TT Mark 1 group on Facebook or leave a comment below. Next up we have the Rolling Road Day at Badger5 that has been organised by Dom from the Parrott Bros. The date of this is Saturday the 13th of August and is hosted at the Badger5 premises over in Stroud. Address for this can be found on screen and you can book directly with the guys at Badger5. It is £50 for 3 runs on the dyno and you get a printout of the car's results also. This will be a good opportunity to see how many horses you still have under the bonnet. To book, drop the guys an email at sales@badger5.co.uk or call them on 01285 760 707. Hot on the heels of this we have the TT Addicts meeting at Caffeine and the Machine over in Ettington in Warwickshire. This will be held on Sunday the 14th of August. This is a ticketed event and you can buy these on the website linked on screen or from the link in the video description. Time slot for Audi TTs is 12:30 till 3:30. Caffeine and the Machine is a fantastic and friendly petrolhead cafe in the Midlands and it's proving ever so popular for car meets. Postcode for this is CV37 7NS. For more details on this, please do check out the TT Addicts Facebook group or leave a comment for Gina and her team below. The following week on Sunday the 21st of August we have a breakfast meet coming up at Ockham Bites, just off the M25 near Cobham. Starting at 9 AM, Dom from the Parrott Bros, CarChris and myself will be in attendance to chat all things TT and check out your car, so please do come along. It's totally free and promises to be a great meet. Address can be seen on screen and you can contact any one of the 3 of us for more details. Last and by no means least is Quattrophenia, where we are taking the TTs from Wandsworth Common in London down to the south coast and the wonderful seaside town of Brighton on an unofficial drive out. The plan is to meet up at 9 AM on Saturday the 10th of September and head south on the traditional route as much as possible, taking in Red Hill, Copthorne, Turners Hill, Haywards Heath and of course stopping for photos of the view at the top of Ditchling Beacon. We will roll into Brighton and park down by the marina where the parking's more plentiful. For those that want to join us, we will be meeting up on John Archer Way by the Royal Victoria Building and heading off at 9 AM, so don't be late.
Wow, I didn't realise there were so many events going on all around the UK, but hopefully there's something in your region that fits your diary that you can get along to and join in the Audi TT community. I hope you found this events guide useful. If you have, then please do think about giving this video a thumbs up and also think about subscribing to my channel if you've not already done so, where you will find a whole host of content on the Audi TT Mark 1. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon. Take care.